Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to a brand new video. So this video, I want to give you guys a room tour. Yes, I finally got a bedroom because my cousin moved out. So I took over his room. It's dark in here right now, so I'm going to turn on the light. Got the bed set up. The bed is here. I like having a charger near here, but I don't really like how tall the outlets are. But we did this. I'm probably gonna use this sheet to like sleep with because I'm afraid I'm gonna like trip over it. And then we got a side table. I got these blackout things, which make a huge difference. I got a mini fridge, you guys. My cousin left his mini fridge in here. It's a little dirty. I didn't really clean it out a whole lot. So, I'm trying to just show you the room and not the floor because the floor is dirty. Got this side. This and this gray and green one, and this side table we got from someone for $10 off of Facebook Marketplace. I'm using these as temporary dresser until we can find a different dresser. Yes, I have things out and about right now because I am trying to figure out like where to put things. But I've also became more of a like out of sight, out of mind type person as I've gotten older. So, yeah. And then we got my books. I will probably organize that. More messy corner. I'll have to clean that. So this got like this. So I have to move this back. We got this that I have to organize, a side or another clear organizer that I'm probably gonna organize at a later date. So, yeah. And this is how dark it is. It's almost, which is a lot darker, you guys, than it was. So, yeah, I turn off the light and it's like almost pitch black. We do have this one window that like I might see. We do have more of those blackout curtains. So I might see if we can get like a strip. So yeah, I might see if I can get a strip for like along there. I'll need to sweep and mop this floor again. But yeah, and then trust me, you don't want to see the closet. I'm afraid if I open that closet, it's gonna, everything in there is gonna fall. I went to Walgreens, so that's why that bag's there. And I thought I put my jacket up, so my jacket must have fallen. So yeah, I apologize about the mess. But like I said, I am just, it's been, I think, a week now that I've been moved in. So, I'm still getting things organized. But yeah. Anywho, I just thought I would show you because I'll probably be doing some filming in here. So if I do film in here, you guys let me know the name. So anywho, I will see you all in my next video. Till then, peace out.